So on this day, we are gonna manifest that One Size Beauty is gonna have a collaboration with Disney in the future. Put it out into the universe, it's gonna come back and it's gonna happen, and I can't wait for everybody to be here when that happens.
I hope so.
Wow.
When you wish upon a star.
Oh my gosh, we just got an email from Disney.
Is this real?
Goosebumps.
How did you guys do that?
Magic.
Disney being the first collaboration for One Size, I'm so honored that we were chosen to be that.
Disney and the caretakers of Mickey Mouse, we continue to work with people who embody all the things that we really find important. And I think with Patrick in particular, we've done that together.
Disney's magic has always inspired me to dream big. I hope this collection inspires you to reach for the stars. Patrick Star.
Hey everyone, it's Patrick Star. Welcome back to my channel. I cannot believe the day is finally here to share a dream come true. Introducing our limited edition Disney Fantasia and One Size collection. If you know, you know, I have been obsessed with Disney since I was a little boy in Orlando, Florida. And to have a collection with my brand One Size and Disney and my favorite Disney film, Fantasia, with the Sorcerer's Apprentice, Mickey Mouse. Amazing, amazing. Also a fun fact, my first name is Patrick Sydney, and Sydney is actually inspired by Disney. Mama Star and Papa Star has some creativity, and thanks to them, we are here with Patrick Sydney and Disney, and it's literally a dream come true to be here today with this collection. Let me show you. This is it right here. This is the collection. Look, it says Disney Fantasia, One Size. By the way, this is going to be for sale. This is the entire collection, but of course, we are going to have them available piece by piece. This is going to be our vault. Like, I'm too excited not to show you, so here it is. So freaking cool. Are you guys gagging? Are you guys speechless? Like, this is the entire collection. I'm gonna get into it. So how did we get here? You guys are probably wondering how we got here. So I have documented the process. We got an email. I got an email in my personal inbox, which you guys will see in the documentary premiering later this week. Stay tuned, subscribe to the channel. It is called Making Magic, Creating the Disney Fantasia Collection. It's so crazy. I've documented the whole process, and I said, I have all this footage. I want to remember this moment. I want to share it with all of you, and it turned into a documentary with Disney and One Size. And to think about that moment now, a little over 2 years ago, we launched the brand in 2020 in the middle of a pandemic, and today we are celebrating our first of first, a collaboration with Disney and One Size, featuring the film Fantasia and Mickey Mouse. I mean, if you know, you know, Mickey Mouse, he's been with me since I was so young, so to have him now in my era of being a founder with this brand is a dream come true. So that vault that you guys just saw is the vault. It will be available on onesizebeauty.com, but I want to walk through with all of you piece by piece the entire collection. Again, I hope you guys are inspired to believe in yourself, trust in yourself, yourself and unlock your magic. Okay, the first product is literally my baby this whole time. This is the Disney Fantasia and One Size Storybook Mickey Face and Eye Palette. I can't believe I'm showing this. It's been such a secret for so long. Look at the outside. Disney literally unlocked the vault for me and my team to look at the original artwork, the original scene stills, and are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? No, are you ready? Are you ready? Okay. Here it is. Oh my gosh, this is such a beautiful array of colors. It's for face and eyes. So if you know, you know, we have our cheek clappers down here for the face, but from the top to the bottom, I'm getting ahead of myself. These are transformers. These are beautiful pressed reflex glitters right here. I'm wearing it on the eyes today. This one is called Oh Boy, and this one is Yensid, which is Disney backwards, little secret. And then over here we have a beautiful quad. First color right here is called Dream, Classical, Broomstick, and D minor. And over here for blush, we have Symphony and Intermission, which is the color story. So this is a matte blush, and this one is the shimmer version of the matte. And over here we have Orchestra and Finale. And I don't know if you guys remember from back in the day, but I used to do weddings on Disney property, and to think of those days to glam, you know, women on their most important day of their lives, to hire me, I just imagine what would I use, what colors would I use, and then this is such a beautiful color palettes for everyone that is truly one size fits all that I would totally wear and put on everyone and anyone. Also, the most magical part about this process was Disney giving us the actual Pantone colors to select this. So this right here, I have Mickey on the back, I believe is the cloak of Mickey and also the color of Mickey, the inside of Mickey's mouth. The blush is also inspired by the color of his tongue. The broomstick color is literally the exact color of the broom, and to have these actual colors be reflected in the product just makes it that much more special. So I hope you guys really see that. And on this side there's a beautiful mirror with Mickey pointing at your reflection, and on top it says unlock your magic, and when you do there's a little red tab down here, you pull it up and bam, there is Mickey Mouse. It says reach for the stars, and it's Mickey pointing at the sky, and then there's the broomsticks, and it says makeup is a one size fits all, and I'll read it to you guys because it's a storybook. It says Disney's magic has always inspired me to dream big. I hope this collection inspires you to reach for the stars. Patrick Star and One Size. Like, wow, like I still cannot get over this. This is literally the most ultimate collaboration I could ask for in my lifetime. So next in the collection is something that was a must and non-negotiable for me. If you know, you know I love baking, and what is baking without the ultimate Mickey Puff? Guys, look at the packaging. It says Fantasia. All of our tools come in this packaging, and the branding is literally on point. I'm literally so proud of this. I'm gonna take it out for you guys to see. I'm just speechless. This is literally so freaking cute. And for me, if you guys know, like I always carry a puff wherever I go just to blot, and to have this now with me officially, like how cute is this gonna be when I'm at the park or when I'm, you know, out and about with Mickey? I can take Mickey with me everywhere and also bake. And this is such a beautiful little puff that I think everyone must have. If you're gonna get anything, you just want one little thing, like the puff is where it's at, but there's more. So this puff is just so gorgeous, and we have our iconic red satin ribbon on it, and I love it so much. All right, so next in the collection is something that you may know and love. This is the Point Made eyeliner pen. It is literally the Sorcerer's Apprentice with the blue top to match. It is literally our iconic bodacious black eyeliner. And you know, speaking of packaging, I just want to show you guys the beautiful carton and secondary packaging that everything comes in. For my team to have access to the original Disney files to put on our packaging is just insane. So Mickey is over here. We have the original stars from the film and we wrapped it in our packaging, and it's just so shiny and reflective. And I got the chance to visit where we get these printed to pick the right colors to make sure it was okay, because I could not do Disney any less than amazing, and I think it is absolutely perfect. So if you guys love a wing eyeliner, I'm wearing it right now. It is waterproof, long wear, point made. I love it. Okay, so what I have in my hand is the most iconic piece to me of the collection outside of the storybook palette. This is the Bit of Magic highlighter. Now, look at this. This is a first for One Size, and also for One Size and Disney. We don't have a highlighter, period. We have like the Cheek Clapper Hyper Sheen blushes, but those are blush and tonal. This is a beautiful, beautiful highlighter. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. I feel like I'm debuting my baby. And if you guys look closely, you could see the pattern on the inside, which is a motif throughout all of our packaging. It has the moon, Mickey Mouse, a star, and some music notes to represent the film and the music. But if you look into the mirror, it is Mickey Mouse. Do you guys see Mickey Mouse on the inside? And then look back right here, the pattern, and then Mickey Mouse. How freaking cool is this? The color of this is so universal. It's a beautiful like champagne color with beautiful reflex in it. It's not like reflex like multicolor. It has the beautiful pearl that reflects off the face to give it that like bit of magic, and that is exactly what this is called, Bit of Magic. Now you're probably wondering, how do I apply it? Well, let me tell you, we have a brush. We do not have a brush at One Size, so this is a bunch of firsts for us as a brand. So in picking a brush, I said, you know what, let's pick something for this, the highlighter, and this brush is in the shape, we've been calling it our cat paw. It is not a literal cat. It is literally in the shape of a tiny little paw. And I love using this with my Turn Up the Base powder foundation, like under the eyes. And I also love using this with a highlighter on the face. This was in development around the time that we were launching the Turn Up the Base powder foundation. So I was like, I need a brush just to dust under my eyes and the puff, but I couldn't really use this then. So to see it now come to life all the way from over a year ago to now is incredible. So the ferrule right here has that repeated emoji pattern, and there's beautiful loose glitters on the inside. That's super magical and pretty. And over here we have the One Size logo and the Disney logo right next to each other. A match made at Disney and One Size. And this last product is something that I have been getting questions on my lips, and I can finally reveal what I'm wearing. This right here is the Lip Snatcher Lip Duo in the shade Cloak Red. I have been getting asked what is on my lips. It is literally inspired by Mickey's cloak that he wears in Fantasia, and I can finally tell you what I'm wearing. And this is literally the color. So on one end, we have a liquid lipstick, and the other end, we have a gloss. The gloss is like a beautiful pearlescent gloss with a dimension to give the effect of magic. And you can wear this alone, you could wear it on top of the red. Just really advice, if you guys do mix this with the red, your doe foot will turn and stain red. So I just wanted the option for people to wear them separate or together, because sometimes I want just a natural gloss for the days out and some shine. Some I just want like a red lip. But if you do, I would use a lip brush separately to apply it on the lips so you don't turn this on the inside red. But it's so magical, it's so versatile, and this is Lip Snatcher. And if you see, I turn it around and there is the Disney logo. So iconic and so cool. And you guys see, these lips are not flaking, they are juicy, they are not bleeding. Liquid lipstick is soft, it's matte, it's non-drying, and the gloss stays on all day, but it's not sticky or like gross. It is just the most perfect consistency to have a glam look. Okay, so everything that I just showed you is available right now, live right now at Sephora, on Sephora.com, onesizebeauty.com. But the big mama, y'all, this is called The Vault, and it's inspired by Disney's Vault, and we wanted to give a piece of the vault, the Disney Vault, with you. This includes the entire collection. You get it just like this. Look at how huge this is, and it includes all the collection. Just for reference, this is the palette and this is the vault. Look at how huge this is. I'm gonna open it up. I know you guys saw it earlier, but I wanna open it again. Woo, so sickening! How gorgeous. So when you purchase the vault on onesizebeauty.com, it is only available at onesizebeauty.com. You get the entire PR box, which is so incredibly amazing. Shout out to my team at Disney for having us do this for all of you. I know you guys are gonna be obsessed. There are limited quantities. Each box will come with a limited edition sticker and the number of the box. So we have a very limited quantity of these. You guys will get the box. You guys get to see 4 looks on the side. You guys get to have a poster on the inside featuring me and Disney. And on the back, it is the artwork that is featured on the palette. On the inside, you get the entire collection, the storybook palette, the highlighter, the lip snatcher duo, eyeliner, puff, Mickey Mouse puff, and the magical brush. All of this right here is at a great value. It retails for over $200, but you save $37 and it comes out to $165. So when you get this on onesizebeauty.com, again, it is literally so limited in quantity, but I think it's worth every single penny, and I would display this for the rest of my life because I am that big of a Disney fan. And just for visibility, this is the bag. I'm obsessed. I almost forgot, I have a meet and greet October 1st in Anaheim. If you guys are in the area, please come meet me at the Sephora at Downtown Disney. I would love to meet you. I can't believe I haven't done a meet and greet in forever. So please come and celebrate the collection and the collaboration with Disney Fantasia and One Size. And again, the whole collection is available at Sephora online and in store, and the vault will be available at onesizebeauty.com. Again, I love you guys so much. Please don't ever stop believing in who you are, what you stand for, because I love you, we all love you. If you can dream it, you can do it. Don't forget, makeup is a one size fits all. I love you so much, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye.